Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. If you saw my last video, you saw that we had a lot of Gorilla Tape, what's it called, track? And it's been stuck here since we recorded the video over a week and a half ago, and it's gonna be an absolute nightmare to pull off my desk and everything. But there was a couple of comments on my video saying, could it be used as a crawler track? Well, the simple answer to that is yes. As you can see, we've added a few additional things and I've just driven it around the track and it seems pretty good. It is not like driving outside, it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be something you can do inside when it's raining outside. Something to do with your kids, or the other way around, something to do with your parents. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the camera set up and we're gonna see how good this car is on this track. Let's get on. So how does it handle this, ladies and gents? Quite an angle, as you can see. Oh, very good. Oh. Not a lot of space here, Colin. Oh. Oof. I have to go back or else I'm not going to make it. What do you reckon?
No.
No? What do you reckon now?
Don't think so.
Back wheels off. Come on. Whoa. I did not think it was going to make that. Oh. Nice. Now what I'm hoping to do now is cross over to the other side, Colin, over that old oven pan. Whoa. I'm just going to get it straightened up a little bit better. Oh, every time you turn, you see the whole car rock. I can't see the far wheel. Oh. Is the left wheel on?
Yeah.
Nice. I want it noted, ladies and gents, I've never concentrated so much in my life. No, don't fall. Nice. On to the Gorilla Tape camo version. Come on. Grip tyres, grip. That's not gripping. There we go. How am I going to do this? Carefully, right?
Full speed.
Full speed. Let's go for it.
You can jump it.
Where am I jumping to?
The table.
No. Oh, what, you think just straight across?
Yeah.
No, those tyres will get caught. I can, however, go across like that.
That's what I was saying.
Oh, the rear tyre's gonna go. Look at that. I'm impressed. Right, on to the next one. Okay, ladies and gents, this part of the course we found a little bit too easy, so we've made a Gorilla Tape rope bridge, or Gorilla Tape bridge, no ropes involved. No idea if we can make it. Oh. Is the back wheel on? Yes, it is. Really impressed with this little Toyota FMS truck. It's not a fully fledged crawler, but it does so well at the crawling stuff. Not over big stuff, obviously. I can't see that front wheel from here. Oh no! Oh, did the wheel get glued to it then? It looked like it was stuck. I'm going to have to go back. Doesn't help that we got the weight of that camera on there, I don't think. No! No. That weight shift is quite vicious. Come on. Oh, yes. Yeah, boy. So, ladies and gents, what do you do with all the duct tape that you have left over? All of these track bridges that you have? Well, in my case, they have to come down. I hope that you guys are able to leave them up. But I am going to just see if we can utilize them outside. So stick around for the video. We'll see whether we can join them together and have a huge bridge. I'm impressed with this little truck. Nice. So, ladies and gents, we've made good use of the Gorilla Tape bridge. As you can see, we have no idea whether this is going to work, but it was worth a try. So, 3, 2, 1. As you drive straight off the roof. I'm seriously worried about driving straight off the roof. I can't see. Whoa. It's on. I'm regretting leaving that wood section in though, Colin, I'll be honest with you. Oh. Can we dismount? Are you ready? Oh no! It's okay, it's okay. Don't worry, Colin. I have a plan. Come on, little guy. Come on. I'm going backwards. Now the wheels are up in the air. We're stuck. And on that note, ladies and gents, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you next time. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Oh, it was so close. Yeah.